and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. It was a perfect day.
Hurry up, Flo, or you'll be late.
But not for Ebb.
Bye, Ma.
Flo was going somewhere. Without Ebb.
Bye, Ebb. See you later.
Ebb wondered why she couldn't go too. And if Flo had a stick, that meant she was going to throw it. But not for Ebb. What if Flo had found a new friend to play fetch with? This was too much for Ebb. Ebb! She just had to find Flo. Follow my leader. Bird liked this game. Wherever Ebb was going, Bird was coming too. Whether Ebb liked it or not. Ebb could hear music. What was going on? Flo was having a music lesson, and the stick she was playing was a recorder. Oh, Ebb. Shush. Oh, what a clever dog. Bravo. Time to go home. The day had worked out perfectly.